Hey everybody, welcome back. I've been getting just a little bit of time to work on the transmission crossmember for the Cummins 4BT project. There's nothing special about this, just a lot of cutting and welding. That's where the mounts are going to go. They'll be protected in there. And I'll show you when I put this on. So this is going to hold up right on the transmission to transfer case adapter. Two urethane mounts there. That's your standard DAN 18 transfer case round mount. It's going to go right there. And I will be mounting this kind of like a CJ3B style, where you're going to have some brackets coming down on the frame. There'll be a through long bolt, and there'll be one bolt coming up. And there's tubes welded in there. So I'm going to take this in the back. I'm going to give it a quick grind, get it looking a little nicer. This whole thing was TIG welded, so it's not too bad to do the grind out. And this is made out of the same material that the frame is made out of, 2x4, 3/16 wall. So I'm going to give this a clean up, and we'll be back, and I'll get it situated into the chassis, and I'll show you how it mounts up. Okay guys, here's one side mount done. This is the passenger side, and here's our transmission cross member. We got a through bolt. Remember, there's tubes in there and everything. And then we're going to have a bolt. Let's just find the hole there. We're going to have a bolt there. And this is going to act as a body mount. This was the basic style that 2A's used when they put their cross members on. And then later on they went and they just, it was a C-frame, so they just bolted it up through that bottom piece. I like this style. I think it's great for holding the cross member and adding a body mount. So there it is all together, and we'll move over to the other side now and get that one welded up, and then we'll finally have all our mounts in. There's that mount on the transfer case, and you saw the other ones in a previous picture in this video, and that's going to be a secure setup. And yesterday I had some time and I cut the mounting ears off here because I couldn't get this is the turbo, I got it plugged up, but couldn't get the exhaust down through here. So we're not using those mounting ears, so I cut those off, and we're just going to keep moving forward. We've got the fenders on, we've got the grill, there's the cowl. I am going to reconfigure the entire firewall there. That's got to get cut out, but making progress as time allows. So I want to get the mounts in, get that final jack out of there, and this motor will be sitting in the chassis as it's going to be when everything's finished. So let's get busy on the other side. Okay guys, finally ready to take that final jack out of here. We're going to let the weight of this whole guy down on the chassis. Okay, there it is. Now, I got an extreme amount of hate email for putting this Cummins 4BT in the CJ3B. Now, if you had a regular 3B with an F-head in there and a front counterweight on the front, you would be the same as this Cummins 4BT. If you had a snowplow on your Jeep, you'd be more heavy than this Cummins 4BT. I don't understand where all the hate mail is coming from, but this frame, these heavy-duty springs, everything is handling this weight just fine. It's a much better frame, and like I say, I had custom springs made, and there's going to be some overload helpers in there. So I don't know what all the fuss is about. But I am starting to plan the body now, and that'll probably be next time. We'll talk more about the body. And this is what I have for you right now. And let me get this off here. Everything is looking good. Got room in here for my intercooler and my radiator. I do have a compressor for this engine. I don't know if it's going to fit with this fender that being modified. But there's a lot of stuff to figure out on the body. There's what's left of the cowl. And there's a long way to go. An entire body needs to be built. So, the transmission mount, transfer case mount is finished. And that's where we're going to leave it right now. So, thanks for watching, everybody. If you enjoy this kind of stuff, hit the like button, share it with a friend. And if you want to see much more of the 4BT, it's coming soon. I don't get a whole lot of time to work on this. I am really trying to concentrate on getting this scrambler finished and out of here. But as time allows, I'm going to show the 3B Welder Jeep project. So thanks for watching, everybody. We'll catch you next time.